Oh shit, okay.
Do you wonder?
Wait, did that eye just blink? Damn. We're about to go living in bondage on their ass.
Do you wonder?
Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka Pama Papi. Welcome back again to this channel. If you're new, I do a bunch of Afropop, Afrobeats, music reviews, reactions, and all sorts. It's been a long time I actually recorded a video like this. I've pretty much been recording everything on my live stream and New Music Friday live stream. We've just wrapped it up for the year, but we're coming back next year doing it again, hopefully on YouTube or maybe somewhere else. But if you haven't gotten a chance to catch any of the live streams, some of them are still up, others have been blocked, but yeah, go check those out. What else? We're talking about Wizkid again today, man. This time around we have a deluxe short film to his world-renowned album now, man, Made in Lagos. Okay, Made in Lagos is an album that came out late 2020 and we're still talking about it at the end of 2021. It's crazy how much Wizkid and his team have stretched the shelf life of this album, and how it's blossomed from what it was to what it is now. Getting Grammy nominated, selling out the O2, hosting a live on YouTube. Like, there's so many moments around this album that Wizkid kept bringing up, and even the fact that he had the deluxe album even extended the album a little bit more and gave it much more, you know what I mean, like a fresher taste, a fresher look. And we got 3 or 4 songs that were absolutely solid on the album. This is just going for us to show how to handle an album and how to stretch the life out of the album. A lot of people quickly move on from albums, but once the album is resonating with the audience, it only makes sense to stretch it and work on that album as much as you can. Now, I've been asking myself to see how far Wizkid can go with this album, and he has been pushing and still pushing, and this is incredible to witness, because I don't think any Nigerian album has done this much, like has made this much ground for the scene, and has been in conversation for so long. Okay, but anyway, I'm excited about this one. This one was teased. At first when it was teased, I thought it was True Love video, because that was a song that many fans actually gravitated to, as opposed to the pride and joy of the album, which was Essence. But I resonated with True Love more. But let's see if this is a combination of everything. Hopefully True Love gets a shout, but this might just be for the deluxe version. Let's see, man. I'm excited to check this one out. I've never seen Wizkid in a short film context, so I would love to see this, man. This would be different. Okay.
Set yourself
It's like ASMR.
free to live in the world full of color.
I know T's coming up. Let's go.
Love.
Okay.
Happy people. And
Oh, that's
magic.
cute.
Land. This place.
It's taking me back to Smile video, man.
See the
This has to be Ghana. This also has to be Accra.
Oh, nice.
This is, if you guys know R2V's, this is, I forget his name. Why am I? Payday. He changed his name to Omar Sterling, but this is Omar Sterling from R2V.
Oh, nice. Man.
Okay, that transition was interesting. Alright, let's go. Hey, I like how he's knocking a lot of birds in one stone, man. Let's go. Hey, ah, this is cute. This is nice. This is nice. Wait. Is Auntie just chilling at the, like, wait, what? How? Yo, people are defying gravity, man. I'm dying, bro. The colors. See, look, the color palette already is like, just from what I've been seeing, the range of colors beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. Whoever the videographer or director is, I think that they kind of put their credit in the front already. Already feeling very, very gorgeous, man. Every frame has bright standing colors. This is dope. This is dope so far. Look at this. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's go. Oh yeah, oh shit, okay.
Do you wonder?
Wait, did that eye just blink? Damn. We're about to go living in bondage on their ass.
Do you wonder?
Did Santi direct this?
What does it truly mean? To seek the light.
Are these meant to be protesters? I'm trying to figure out what those
What does
antis
that
were.
look like?
What does this star look like? Oh shit.
Can you align with the dream?
Is it a new fashion statement? Is this a new fashion statement? Remember the side hanging sweater that we got? The cashmere sweater that was hanging on the side. This is another fashion statement from Wiz. I did not tear the pocket.
Within your dream, the light chases after you.
On hey, steady. Nah. This is too smooth. This is too clean, bro. This is too smooth, man. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this heavy. Shout out to Wiz for bringing like Bougie on this platform, man. Actually like showing him off. Like, this is dope. PTJ in that baseline, man. Let's go. Nice. Enter the show. Yo, this is Wiz's best verse on this album. I'm not gonna lie. This was a verse that stood out. This is this verse right here, boy. Nah. Big Wiz, Starboy, Big Daddy.
When the money done the show, send a Starboy, Big Wiz, Big
Daddy enter the show. Hey, you know, don't my person, you know. Your mind now. Oh, we ate this verse, man. Let's go. Come on. Nah, this is clean. Let's go. Oh, that was dope. They did the entire song. They did the entire mood. I'm here for it, man. I'm here for it. Oh, what was
When
it?
love finds you,
Please, true love. I beg you. Please,
it
true love.
holds you,
Please, I'm begging for true love, man.
it wraps you around its fingertips.
I love this narrator's voice, man. It's quite soothing. ASMR shit.
It's your spirit free.
Forgive me for that. This is the outfit he wore on. There's one particular photo one famous Wiz photo in this outfit. I remember this outfit a lot.
It's your love.
Remind me
free.
of where this outfit was worn. Probably one show in the US or something. But yeah.
Are you free enough?
So they just kind of transitioned. I guess. This is steady. I guess the title says deluxe short film, so I guess we'll be getting basically videos for the deluxe records, and unfortunately, we might not be getting that one. I don't know if he's gonna do Essence remix with Justin Bieber on there. That would be odd if he did that. But Steady's calm too, man. Oh, nice scenery right there. Like, this is kind of, this is good. This is a nice atmosphere for the song.
I want time with you, girl. You're moving it slow, you know. You're moving it slow, you know. That's why I just want more. I can never ever lie, girl. You look like my type of fire.
Oh, this is romantic. I knew this is the right atmosphere for this kind of song. Just slow down, intimate, take you down to the lake or nice next to the river or something. A lot of beautiful green scenery, you know. I like it.
You don't wanna cry.
This is cute.
Oh, today you never need to worry. All I need from my baby, something steady. Good shit, 5-star lady.
yo. Body physically sexy, yo.
Something steady. Smooth
Oh
like
man,
5-star
that line
lady.
kills me, man. This is good.
Nobody ever hold me down like this. You want start something?
Dope ass backdrop.
Hold my body tight and squeeze. All I need from my baby, something steady. Good shit, 5-star lady.
yo. Oh no. Yeah, this video definitely, this song rather embodies the, again, like I've said in my previous reviews on this record too, embodies what the essence of, no pun intended, but the essence of Made in Lagos. Very intimate, kind of like laid back R&B driven album. That's why I was hoping like Made in Lagos in the Grammys section would be considered in the R&B categories, because it is an R&B album. This is very, very sensual. It's down to like to the atmosphere, the scenery, the function of the songs. The function of the songs like definitely align with what you would see for an R&B and soul album. And just the instrumentation, the texture of his voice, how soothing it is, how relaxing and moody it is. It's just great. Just a nice record to tie to the Made in Lagos aesthetics, you know. Knocking 3 birds with 1 stone. I'm here for it. Directed by Kukwa Eshon. I have to look up who that director was. Yeah, they killed it. They killed it. That was dope. 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 Man, Big Wiz. Big Wiz. Big Wiz is out here thriving and killing it. Giving him much more. Giving us extended experiences on Made in Lagos. And these little bits and pieces that he's tying to the album, they're going further to like resonate the album into the fabric of Afrobeats, man. This is gonna be a monumental album once like time passes. It's clear the significance of this album, and you can't deny it at this point. You cannot deny it. This is a great way to add it, or at least maybe cap the entire journey of the album. Hopefully, maybe this is the end. Maybe we can see how far he can still stretch Made in Lagos. But I think so far it's been a good way, and this is to be a nice. If this was the end of it, if we were never gonna get True Love video, I think this is a nice way to cap it. I'm okay. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at him for not having True Love give it a video. I'm more so disappointed for Teiwa not getting like a platform on the video landscape. I mean, even though he has been great on the tour as well, but nonetheless, man, I'm not mad at it. This is a great way to commemorate and stamp the album. An album that is definitely going to grow into being a classic, and in many terms already a classic because of how long it's survived this far out. It's going to be 2 years almost. It's going to be 2 years very soon, and it's going to be crazy. Thanks so much for watching. I've been your boy Emmanuel, aka Power Papi. Let me know what you thought about this deluxe short film, and let me know about Wiz and the life that he has given to this album, the shelf life that he has given to this album. Do you think this is a nice way to end it, or are you still expecting more out of the album in terms of like say events or videos or just extended moments around the album? Let me know in the comment section. I've been your boy Emmanuel, aka Power Papi. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.